Let's make this origami star box together. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters. Fold it on both center lines. And now flip it over and fold it on both diagonal lines. Like this. Now open it, press the middle of the paper upwards, like so, and just bring the sides of the paper inwards. Like so, and press it down. In next step, bring this bottom line of the paper, so the bottom part where everything is loose, and align this side of the paper with this middle line. So bring it to the middle line, press it down, and now open this pocket and press the middle of the paper downwards, but make sure that this crease is aligned with this bottom line of the paper. And once you have it, press it down. Now do the same with this left side. Fold it to the center line, open it, and press it down. And now flip your paper over and do the same on this side. So to the center line, open it, and press it down. And your paper is looking like this. Now fold the sides of the paper inwards, so this part you fold it backwards on this already existing line. So just pinch it together like so, and do the same with all sides. Like so. Now fold the bottom of the paper upwards on these lines between these two edges. Align it with the middle line and press it down. Now open this paper and fold the upper layer downwards to these two edges. So take one layer and fold it downwards, and flip your paper over and do the exact same on the other side. So upper layer, fold it downwards. Now fold this left side of the paper over and bring it downwards. And once more, bring the left side over and fold it downwards, like so. Now open your paper so that you have a square in the middle of it, and push this part of the paper downwards. So open it these creases, so these lines, and reinforce them by pinching the paper together. Like so. And you've made your Starbucks.